What's up, everybody? Vince here with another meal service that I'm going to try for you guys. It's called EveryPlate. What is EveryPlate, you ask? Well, it is a meal subscription service where fresh ingredients are sent to your door, and all you have to do is put them together into delicious meals. Now, EveryPlate encompasses all different kinds of cuisines. They have Mexican, Italian, Asian, American, and it's not dietary restricted. So there is meat, there is fish, there is dairy, there are grains, there are legumes. It is just regular classic food. Nothing special about it. It's just affordable, fresh food delivered to your door. Now, how much is it, you ask? Well, if you use the code in the description box below, you can get your first box $20 off, which makes it just $18. And in that kit, you're going to get 3 meals, which are 2 servings each. You can choose if you want meals for 2 or meals for 4, and either way, it's priced very affordably. This is one of the most affordable meal kit services. Oh, pool vacuum. This is one of the most affordable meal kit services, and it looks really tasty, especially because it's just regular comfort food. You're going to get all different kinds of items, and the menu changes weekly, so you're never going to get tired of having the same things on repeat over and over and over again. If you want to try EveryPlate, go ahead and use the link in the description box below to get $20 off your first order, making your first order of 3 meals, 2 servings each, just $18. How could you pass that up? Do it. Go do it right now. And subscribe to my channel for more updates on this meal service, as well as all the other stuff I'm doing with healthy eating, cooking, travel, and lifestyle here on Mr. Vince. Bye-bye.